like seriously has been a really fun project. We got third in the World Champs of that thing, Formula Drift World Championship, and since then we used the car for the Daniel Ricciardo Formula One activation we did with RadBull Australia, and that was freaking crazy project. So yeah, after the crazy year, we decided like, what do we do with RadBull? And I figured, let's do a fan vote. We put it to you guys to pick what motor I put in, and I was going to build anything. And the biggest vote actually went to my OG 3-rotor naturally aspirated peripheral port, which is no more than 400 horsepower, 390 horsepower at the wheels. So we've lost 800 horsepower from the Pro setup, but went back to stretch tires, radial compound, you know, cambered wheels, flush fitment, just took all the crazy steering out, went back to cut knuckles. This is also my 10-year anniversary of the Red Bull, so we did the throwback livery and really made the car like it was when I used to compete 10 years ago. And we proved we qualified #1 and stood on the podium this weekend with that setup. The car just feels alive, like you just have to drive it so hard, and it's really fun. Yeah, I got a sore jaw from like smiling so much.